You can be toxic and be truthful.
Am I toxic?
Really quick, guys, another episode of Why Not Wednesdays. This is literally just a branch off topic, but it is a video ready topic. So, big up on yourself. If you're new here, subscribe. If you've been here before, like, comment, share, subscribe. If you've been here before, like, comment, share. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend's friend that your friend Howard said to tell a friend. You see me? What do you get what I say? So, the topic is being a Gyalis, and it's just the broad topic, and we'll try narrow it down and just like give you points for it. And Tiffany was really going at it just a while ago, like going at it. You see me? So it's back to what I say. So being a Gyalis, yeah?
Yeah.
But if you like, what make a Gyalis is you have to have you can't just link one with a careless girl.
What is a careless girl?
Nah man, careless girl will just get in front of anyone. You're careless. Like, cause there's liking sex and then there's being careless. Cause liking sex means you just like have sex enough. But being careless just a fling out the front of the body. That's careless. You know what I'm saying? We have, by the way, we have in studio audience and they'll be talking in this as well. They'll be talking in this as well.
Yeah.
We have project those.
So what really is curious? Because you need to give me more. Because if she's having sex with 10 guys, she'll wear a condom.
That's not careless.
What is careless really?
Nah man, if the man, alright. If I meet 10 guys in a one day, you have sex with 10 of them.
Yeah, what's the problem?
That's careless, bro.
I'm using protection.
That's still careless.
It's not
bro.
careless.
You're not protecting little. You're not protecting little.
What am I not protecting?
You little fool. Like you're not protecting.
What am I not protecting?
Right.
No, I was like, save someone, you know. Save someone, you know.
No, but
What do you
that's
mean?
not, she's not being careless.
What should I be? What give me a word for it then? Reckless.
No, maybe she's
not
not being
reckless.
virtuous. She's not being ladylike.
Stuff like that, but it's not careless.
Because she's taking care of herself and she's enjoying herself.
Nah, man.
Careless is when you leave yourself just unattended.
You should have unprotected sex then.
Right.
Okay, that's careless.
Right. But
What is careless?
if she's giving consent,
Yeah.
if she's giving consent, she knows what she do.
Yeah.
She's using protection. How is it careless?
Not the Google machine.
Not the Google machine.
Careless, not giving sufficient attention or thought, avoiding harm or errors.
But the one who have unplanned
Not
pregnancies, I guess we consider them.
Nah, man. We're not gonna say that's such a topic. That's such a sensitive topic.
What-
I don't want
what's
unplanned pregnancies. I'm not going there yet. That's such
We
a.
just said I'm gonna use condoms.
Well, that's how we consider that as careless.
All right. So if a girl so do all right.
Careless is a wrong
So
word.
if she's not using a condom, she's careless.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because she not protect herself.
All right. Let's hold that right there. So a girl that's not using like condom with.
And sleeping with 10 guys.
Yeah, with multiple guys, right? Let's hold that girl right there. You see me?
Yeah.
If you have that girl and 6 are friending, right? As a man, you have sex with 6 other girl there.
Yeah.
You're not Gyalis. I'm gonna kill this girl there.
Why you not
Because
Gyalis?
I'm gonna kill this girl there.
Well, true.
What is a Gyalis? What is a Gyalis?
To me?
Yeah.
Or just, like I don't know what
What is
everybody.
that Gyalis?
Yo, wait.
Definition?
Eh?
Are you trying to find a definition?
Wait. Leave it in the comment. Let me know where you define as a Gyalis. If you're brave enough to like just take that on, because like I to me. Wait, what's mean a Gyalis to you first of all? Because like me have my definition. You want input on what's a Gyalis? I want me to give a toxic definition first.
Hold on.
Right.
Can I have a toxic definition, but I stand by firm.
A Gyalis is. Alright, hold on, I'm going to deconstruct it now. So every guy have something, have a different catch about him. Every guy is different.
Yeah.
A different personality.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like being a Gyalis is relative. So here now, textbook definition. Being a Gyalis
Yeah. Text with definition.
is how you can bring out the fullest potential
Mm-hmm.
of your attraction
In every.
and yield maximum benefits. So I know
Can I have that definition again? please?
I know something streamlined.
Yeah.
Because every guy is different.
Yeah.
So for example, I'm a nice guy. Some guy, them
I ain't saying anything.
I'm a nice guy, and some guy, them a quote unquote tough man.
Yeah. I get
How
what
you
you
can
mean.
use that nature
Mm-hmm.
and I guess be as successful as possible when it comes to the law of attraction.
All right. So
That's
when,
Gyalis.
for me, it's just like whoever you are, is the ability to drug any type of girl.
Yeah.
So you have the mean girl, the stuck up girl, the the friendly girl, like if you just be yourself and can attract the whole of them girl there, you see me? Yeah, Gyalis. But some man feel like Gyalis, I want to have sex with beer, as we said before, kill this girl.
No, but you just say attract one bag of girl, careless girl, them are still girls, and if you attract a lot of
They
girls,
are one way. Them are girls who just like sex.
So you
No,
What?
because the girl them could still be in the category where you say one of them can be brown skin and stuff.
We're not talking about color, we're talking about personality.
What different girls you might get to.
Gyalis a look on personality.
It's just that when you're using the one factor to say the man a good girl. The fact that them have sex with more than once.
But his
that's all they're
definition
using.
was just that you pull a lot of
Yeah, you
different
pull.
type of
Because
girls.
I'm not saying because Gyalis doesn't really correlate to sex, I mean, I say that. Because what if like 20 girl like me? Right? But one has sex with one. That refutes
Are you a
Gyalis.
Gyalis?
That makes sense.
Why 20 girl like me?
Because if you have mad pull, but you're not
Oh, yeah,
act on
mad
all
pull.
of them. If you have
But
mad
you act
pull,
on all them.
we're not act on all of them.
So that's
You're
my-
sure
I
Gyalis?
think you're a
But people-
Gyalis.
You don't think you're a Gyalis? Nah, she said you're a Gyalis. If you
Yeah,
have,
you
have
finish. I finish.
Yeah, I finish. I so I say that Gyalis to be a Gyalis.
Everybody will
So
finish.
it's by sex.
Yes.
Yeah.
Let's go.
We're saying that.
Let's go Gyalis.
Does
So.
everybody agree?
Yeah, so Gyalis is
Alright.
to sex.
Yeah.
Kale keep on call me like 5 times.
Alright, so Gyalis is you want to answer?
Ask her what's a Gyalis.
Alright. So Gyalis is to sex, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, boom. But if you have sex with one other girl, we just like have sex regardless of who you be, does that make you a Gyalis?
Depending on your pull. I feel like
No,
to
as
be
in-
a Gyalis, it can be you look 100 girl and 100 girl. I feel like if 100 girl I look you and I come to you regardless if them careless or not, then you could be classified a Gyalis.
I think I agree with her, and I think what's happening, you're limiting it to the girl. Not because you can pull them 5 girls and means that somebody else can do it.
Yeah.
So the fact that you can do it, even if I want a girl with a girl or whatever, it gives credit to what you can do and your capabilities.
Yeah, because energy is
So
real.
so not just say are the type of girl them alone. The youth have to be a part of it, the type of person.
Yeah.
Oh.
So it's not just the girl then. So yes, you have to learn.
No, that's what I said. No,
Have to learn.
but isn't like in my definition, I never say like depending upon the type of person who you are, your ability to pull multiple different types of people.
So you can't discredit him
Hold on.
if the girl them are sitting there hard. What you've done though is that you've discredited the man's achievements because the girl them careless.
No, of course. No man. If a girl just like have sex, a girl just like have
But
sex.
she not gonna have
Regardless
sex
of
with
who you be.
No,
But you have them girl in a brother.
No, but
You have them girl who have sex like regard. Yo.
no.
Me and Jimmy are 2 different people. You see me?
Yeah.
But you have a careless girl who would link me and Jimmy. Just because we are, just because we're available.
No.
You have some.
Not careless.
Cause there's some you wish you not give.
Yes.
Like me.
There's no
You
girl.
don't know no girl who would just give anybody, brother.
Bro. There is no girl. There's no person in this world.
Yeah.
Who has
Okay,
sex
get
with
away.
everybody.
Anybody. Unless
Now I sell it.
probably.
Unless them I sell it.
Unless I'm an infant that will go
Yeah. That's a whole different thing, and that's a small percentage.
Yeah, well, or unless them I sell it. You're right. I get free. Nobody not checks everybody. Yeah.
To be a Gyalis, does that mean does being a Gyalis equates to being toxic?
No. How?
Yes.
No, man.
I think-
Because we never say. My thing is,
You're not tricky.
you're not tricky. My thing is, communication
But a lot
important.
of guys
You're not
do that
trick her.
though.
We're not trick her, but my thing is, communication important. So if me I link you and make you know, say, yo, this is who I am, is it me?
How
Yeah,
many guys have
But
that?
toxicity is
Nah,
not just
man.
about the interaction with checking the girl.
Wow,
It's
then
if
where?
you're a toxic person,
Yeah.
it's not just about you can toxic with just your bridging them. Say go hype and show off and brother say. So toxic is not just about if the girl
relationship
the girl
with
the
the girl.
consent. You can toxic and you don't tell the girl the truth. But you're still just toxic. Or you know say
No.
she's a kinny girl, you have to cut it off, you can't say that deteriorate her.
Oh, so what you're saying is
And
that.
you're still doing it because you know say if you call her tomorrow she comes.
So wait, what you're saying is that toxic not
Yeah,
equal
that
life.
toxic.
So yeah, so toxic. You know if you have enough of a line involved in a toxicity.
Right. You can still be
That's the
toxic.
right word,
and be
toxicity.
truthful. Right. You can still be toxic. You can be toxic and be truthful.
Am I toxic?
That's a damn good question. Because like, alright, I guess my view on toxic was different then, dog. I'm probably really toxic then, if we're be honest. Because my view on toxic was different, dog. I'm probably really toxic then.
As soon as you say that,
I'm probably really toxic then, dog.
No, but that's
Look when I'm like-
That's when you're misery, you know, dog. Like, because the thing is, I feel alright, being toxic is a part. It's like, alright, toxicity go hand in hand with being manipulative, yeah.
Yeah.
A nigga might be toxic,
And that's goes to being selfish or inconsiderate.
but in all of it, you can still be truthful.
Yeah, man. Yeah. But as
You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because like me make you know say, yo, me this know. Are you still there? I make you know say I'm me this know. So
You
like,
said that and she said, alright, me done with that, then tomorrow you say, hey, come over. You know she go come. That's
Yeah.
toxic.
That's toxic.
Even though you be honest
That's
and say,
toxic?
yo,
That's
this
that's
is
toxic?
me.
That's
That's
toxic.
toxic.
Yeah.
We can go outside game.
What's the game?
Let me hear you.
Alright, so like I'm gonna get to like scenarios.
Yeah.
And you're gonna say toxic or not. Ready?
Yeah,
Side
I
game.
like that.
Side game.
I know what- I know
Alright,
what
so
it is.
like I said, toxic or not.
Toxic or not? Yeah, cool.
Hit up an ex. No, yeah, think about the ex and hit her up after or him up after
Toxic.
5 months.
Not toxic. Not
Toxic,
toxic.
that's-
Not toxic.
What
No,
is
it
your
depends.
aim? It
No,
depends
no,
on
no.
your
It depends on how you
intention.
hit them up. Even if I miss you, text the toxic.
Hey, big
That's
guy.
I miss you, text the toxic.
That is toxic because what
No.
is your intention behind sending that text?
You just want to inform. To inform.
No.
To inform. It's like,
No.
hey, been thinking about you. Been thinking about you. It's
Alright,
like
next.
to inform.
Next. Somebody has a significant other, but you still have to text them with intentions.
No man, that's not you, that type of person.
No, that's toxic.
I
Is that
think
still
that's
toxic?
still toxic, but are you wrong?
Because it's like nothing's wrong with going after what you want.
Me not wrong, you know.
Boy, if you're flinging this,
If you fling,
Some going
if you
there.
fling it next, or something going
I might
there,
fish.
me a really in it.
I'm not really
Me a really in it.
Alright.
It's if your perception, it's if you are not monogamous and you're cool with a.
Oh, remember when you have a conversation that some persons just genuinely cannot be monogamous.
Mhm.
Me I put you have a conversation, I'm gonna like, so you need to like identify who you are and don't lie to yourself.
Are you monogamous?
Yeah, this is.
I can be.
I don't know if it's toxic, but what you've done, you disrespect somebody's relationship. Because if you know so they're with somebody else,
Mm-hmm.
you probably are text them and realize, alright, them have a vibe for you, there's an attraction. It's
Yeah.
still manipulative.
But-
If we're going with the whole thing of
Toxic being manipulative.
it's still.
I feel like that's more disrespectful to their relationship, but not toxic. Because like it's like
I could work with it.
it's like it's disrespectful,
Yeah,
you know,
yeah,
but I don't think it's toxic.
Okay, so you said
Not toxic.
Not
If it's a
Not
continuous straight, it's
toxic.
toxic.
No man, if it's a continuous straight and like, yo bro, if the girl want act on it and you not have a thing,
No,
that's not
because
toxic.
I think-
meaning like you just matter if I'm girl in a relationship and just see her, just go. That's toxic. Cause that means you don't respect. You don't respect people and
Boundaries.
no, but that's a toxic trait. Like I'll be a girl in a relationship you go for. I hope me not root up my body like.
You have some man who do that, you know.
Of course.
Because you know, you have some man where they get the strength off and knowing somebody won, and they
Yeah.
can
That's
pull
why they
her.
won't feel
Like it's like they feel good. They're
You can't
like,
take it, man.
it's like
Also the money, if you know say alright, she have a main man, you must spend upon her like say alright, you don't have to buy all the things.
ooh,
Yo, you must know.
Yeah, cause
Get
you
that
don't
PS5
take
for
care.
us.
get that
Get it for
PS5. Get
secure the
that,
bag for us.
get that PS5.
When you sell it out, sell it out.
Wait.
And so be free.
That's when you're the side man.
If you're not a girl, that's when you're the side man. But if you're in a relationship with a girl, right? And it's like she has an opportunity to get a bag, but it's gonna be like she's stepping into the relationship, but she can get a bag from
Hold on, game done?
And no, the game done. But she can step into the relationship and get a bag from her stepping out. And like, alright, with that, is that you being toxic?
I don't think toxic.
No, that's a deal.
That's a deal.
That's a business.
That's a business. It's like
That's
you're not
why
talking
you
about it.
don't alright
yeah,
with it.
yeah.
Yeah.
A phone nothing.
I know, like we know you were there.
Nah.
And then
Hey.
Hey.
she was having a hard time, one hard course lecturer one time, and you like do they do? Get some money to will survive and
Amen.
they were together.
I'm not sure if I have the ability.
I
don't think I have the ability. You're gonna fail the course there.
Sell some cake and pay.
You're gonna do a cake sale. Like, I'm gonna pick it back up.
So it's not like she was held against her will. She was attracted to the lecturer.
John O'Donnell.
And she bring it to her boyfriend, and when they look on the opportunity costs and the benefit.
Oh,
Econ.
They're like, alright. That's some people. I could never do that.
I think if
I
both
could
of you
never,
okay
dog.
with it, then it's
Cool.
fine.
Yo, me not cap it up. Like in a relationship, I act like I'm tough, but I'm not, brother. It's like me go and be cool. It shows.
Hey, don't hold my. Hey,
Damn.
she can't out like that.
Damn. It's like me act like me cool with certain things, but when I back up, I'm just like, shut up, star. Like it's like me go and be cool. I'm like, no, not good man. When I made him, I was like, why you not even ask for that? Like why you not even ask for that? Like, you know, somebody will ask that question, and you go. Why you not ask for that? Like you know that, why you not do that?
Alright, next.
Yeah.
Alright, what if you just break up with somebody, right? And somebody else will console you. You go have
Not
sex with them.
No man, that's not toxic. That's not toxic.
toxic.
That's you seeking comfort.
So if them, so it's not.
As long as it's cleared up. No, my thing is don't make nobody feel like say you having sex with them means that you are getting a relationship with them. You know?
No, as in, is it not manipulating the other person?
No man, a comfort sex.
As in the comfort person?
Yeah.
Comfort sex is a thing.
As long as they know what they're doing.
Plus the other person want the sex too. And then like you have to them say,
Okay.
You get what I'm saying?
You're not
It's
forced
like a comfort sex. And that's comfort sex is
Alright, is this
not
toxic?
manipulative.
You're there with your girl
Yeah.
or your guy, and you're the girl or your guy, right? And your ex texts you. Shall I go do something? Hey. Shall I go do some things? Or you go do some things, and you talk to them, you have like conversations with them, but you know say you don't want it to hurt your person, so you give it under wraps. Is that toxic or not toxic?
I feel like it's disingenuous.
Yeah, that's
Disingenuous.
I don't know if it's toxic, but it's disingenuous. It's like it's all from a good place, but at the same time it's like you are purposefully hiding this from me because you know say me not gonna approve. So it's disingenuous, dog. It's like that's some sneaky shit, girl. It's sneaky. It's like I get that it's from a good place. Like me not telling you it's from a good place, but at the same time, you know, if you tell me, I would want it.
And when she finds out, eventually it's going to cause a whole thing because you're basically lying.
Alright.
Lying are just sneaky. Like, is it lying if you just never tell a person?
Yes.
Yes.
If you're purposely not
How you
telling-
would have feel?
No, but I'd feel like you were being sneaky and disingenuous. But you never lie. Like to me, you never lied to me.
Oh.
You get what I'm saying?
I mean, you never.
I'm taking lie in the most literal term.
Okay.
No man, I'm taking lie in the most literal term.
Okay, get you.
You get what I'm saying?
Get you.
So it's like I'd still feel hurt or betrayed. But I wouldn't feel like you lied to me. But if I ask a straight up question, dog, and it's like a yes or no, and you say no, that like we can't go back from that. Like when you looking at me and tell me like a blatant lie, we can't go back from that. If you say yeah, go with your friend named Extra Day, and you say no. If you look at the person and say no, like we can't go back from that.
You want him and snap that.
No man, we can't go back from that. Like how you gonna just are you good? Like you're prepared for lie at any point?
No.
Nah, bro. Certain things are hard to forgive, you know.
PTSD kicking in. Wait,
Certain
Game
things.
done.
Game done. Well, yeah, certain things are. Wait, shit. What would I talk about? Gyalis. Gyalis, dog. What do I mean, Gyalis? Yo, alright.
What was the last one?
Oh, no, we'll wrap it up. Because, like, this we don't want this too long. The definition for Gyalis. Alright, everybody give them definition.
Oh, wait. According to...
Everybody will give them definition for Gyalis.
According
We don't want
to...
your Oxford, we want your
We
definition.
like.
No, we want context.
According to
the Caribbean Dictionary,
yeah.
at wiwords.com, a Gyalis is a man who obsessively seduces and deceives women, a promiscuous heterosexual male. Synonyms: pussman.
That's
That's a chinny for real.
very chilly.
So based on what that's saying, it says to be a Gyalis, you have to be deceitful. That's what I'm getting from that. That's a deceitful.
I disagree.
Yeah.
But I disagree because I don't feel like to be a Gyalis, you have to be deceitful.
I feel like most of them are because
Them don't know the game, dog. Them don't know the
yes,
game,
and them
dog.
can get girls unless they.
No, I'm not talking Gyalis, you know, but I know of
The game.
the game.
Alright, so
We read books.
How far are you on the
Huh?
on the Gyalis tier?
The Gyalis
One I like least.
From a scale of 1 to governor.
One to one. One year Chris
1 year Chris. Alright.
and 10 year governor.
Shit, dog. Definitely not a Chris though.
First episode of this.
First episode of Chris? Alright, definitely not a Chris. On a normal day, I put it at a 4.
So normal day.
On a normal day, because I'm not toxic, dog. So on a normal day,
So
I put
you're
it at a 4.
saying you're pulling, but you're not going through.
It's like I know I have the ability to, but ask him because ask him say like I don't be acting on shit like that. You get what I'm saying? She's like I know of it though. She's like me no say if I
So
try
you think you're Gyalis?
no. It's like me in my brain me no say like based on how the girl move around me or them say the girl move around me. If I tried I could hit, but I don't be acting on it.
That don't have nothing to do with nothing.
But
If you think you can get them, you just have to do it. If they approach you about it, then that can.
No, I'm talking about the full factor.
But that's not really pull factor because you just assume that if I.
Not
try,
assume. It's like
this.
shit I know.
How
Because
do
like
you
we've had conversations where I don't act on it.
Okay.
You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like we've had conversations where I'm like, if I push this conversation, it would lead to something. I'm just like,
That seems still very vague.
Say which
like-
conversation upon it, you have time to waste.
I think it's ego. I think it's.
yeah, it's more, it's ego.
Ego problem.
It's yeah, I fully accept that it's ego, dog. It's like, me like, no. You get what I'm
So
saying?
you could if you.
Yeah, if I wanted to, I
Okay,
could.
okay.
Like, me not, so it's
Yeah.
ego.
You know,
So that's why I'm putting it at 4, because like, I don't be acting on shit. But like, because I'm an ego, it's like, me like, no. You see me saying?
I get you.
No, the same question back to you, because you know, just
Yeah.
reverse. Reverse. Question back to you. Crystal Governor, where they?
Currently?
Don't give me the bass dog. Like, don't lie on camera dog. Like, be honest with yourself. Be honest with yourself.
What else?
Give me a look point dog. I look straight. Now look
Same,
fine.
same, now,
Now look. Just
I
talk.
like them vibes, huh?
Just talk your shit.
People want to know.
It depends on year.
Which year?
2021.
No. We are going from which year graduate high school? 2016.
Like, I hold foot no dog.
No, my boy. No.
Hold
No,
foot,
man,
dog.
2016, me did a kickback and an easy back.
Nah, but them time they kind of clutch. When you clutch.
No.
With the clutch.
No.
If you same clutch, I'm clutch.
You've never clutched in a.
But you try to sink your shit, brother. You try to sink your shit.
Oh, 2016, no, that was before
You
6
never. You did. Hey.
Yo, guys,
Hey.
pizza reach. So, like, not even gonna lie to you guys. Pizza reach. We're hungry. They can answer the question so we can wrap this up.
No, but
6. That's 6 safe. Everyone.
Not let him.
no, but a 4. Back in the day?
You are not a 4, Deco.
Alright, stop. 2020.
2020.
Because 2021 just started.
4.
2024.
2024, but.
COVID of around.
Alright.
2018.
2018.
2018?
Yes.
Shit. With a
That's only in the first year?
second year.
Second year? First year, second year.
I hate that man.
With a 8. 7.
Yeah, listen,
And we're still using the definition of you landing.
Well, on, yeah.
Ooh!
Yeah.
Alright, Tiffany, on the scale of Governor to Chris, how much of a Gyalis are you? No partial. Nobody now getting the sleep with us. No partial. No partial.
4.
You're a 4 right
no,
now.
I'm a 2.
You're a 2 right now?
Yeah.
You're a 2 right now?
Yeah.
A solid 2? Like our 2 leading to a 3?
1 leading to a 2.
Alright, cool.
Okay,
She said
more.
it. She said it. So that's another episode of Why Not Wednesdays, guys. Thanks for tuning in. As usual, if you're new, I like the video, and subscribe, subscribe. Big up on yourself. Once again, tell a friend that your friend Howard said to tell a friend. Big up on yourself. We're gone.